Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex certified pre-owned Oyster Perpetual. This is the 114-300, launched in 2015 and discontinued in 2020. It marked the step into larger case sizes for the Oyster Perpetual. The OP, originally launched in 1933, was a breakthrough watch, combining the 1926 Oyster water-resistant case with the 1933 Perpetual rotor winding system. It was the progenitor of the entire modern Rolex lineup, and one might even say the root of every modern sports watch. And so this timepiece in my hand marked a step into larger case sizes. Though not huge ones, built from 2015 to 2020, it's a watch I can wear on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, whereas I cannot wear the OP41 that came after. So we'll show you that size in just a moment. Let's talk about the 39 millimeter 904L stainless steel case. It's 39 in diameter. It's 11.2 millimeters thick. It's 47.4 millimeter lug-to-lug if you include the solid end links of the Oyster bracelet. Total distance across the wrist is 49 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. Now we'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. You can see it wears quite nicely. We'll peel my glove back a little bit so you can get a better sense of my wrist itself. The watch wears nicely, actually. I would say if your wrist is 15 centimeters circumference and up, you could wear this. You can see the lugs are not out at the edge of my wrist. I've got a little bit of clearance, and my wrist is 16, so you could go even a little bit smaller with a smaller wrist. It is very flat. It'll slide easily under a dress cuff. I'd say if you're a lady, you probably want to focus on a smaller OP. But if you're a man with a smaller wrist, you're going to find this is a great option if you don't want to go 41. Now, taking a look at the bracelet, you can see it's an Oyster, the 3-link sports bracelet Rolex has. Satin finish top links. You can see the flanks are polished. We have polished case flanks with satin hoods, a conforming end link to mate it cleanly to the case. It tapers down towards the clasp. Removable links fixed by screws. You can see we have them on both sides. There is no Easy Link system on this generation of the Oyster Perpetual. That came in 2020. But what we do have, I'll try to show it to the best I can, we have 3 different pairs of divots, and so you can dismount the spring bar with your strap tool and change the anchoring point of the bracelet inside the clasp. So that's how you fine-tune the fit. You can see we've got a beak and hook system. Here's the beak, and then there's the hook, and those two things latch together. You've got a debossed rather than embossed crown on these OPs. You have to lift the latch to open it up. It's not a friction fit clasp, and it is quite thick gauge steel. We have a screwed in case back, Oyster case, naturally. Twin lock crown in steel, that's what the little slash means, 100 meters water resistant. Domed bezel, and as you can see, a slightly boxed sapphire over a red grape dial. Now, there are a lot of insufferable Rolex dial nicknames, and I think I've probably tipped my hand regarding what I think of those. But this is formally named Red Grape by Rolex, so it's not some cute ploy on behalf of the eBay seller community. This is actually something Rolex dubbed by its own tongue the Red Grape dial, and I love that. And that's sort of what it is. There's also a white grape corresponding roughly to red wine and white wine. And then there's this little shock of signal orange outboard of each one of the indices. White gold indices, hands, and Rolex logo, which I like because that prevents oxidation and tarnish over time. You can see we've got a crease down the center of the baton style hands for the hours and minutes to more easily read the time. We'll do a quick lume shot so you can see the watch in the dark, and it has no shortage of luminescence. Taking a look now at some of the technical aspects of this watch. It's a Rolex bidirectional automatic winding caliber 3132, 4 hertz beat rate, 31 joules. It has a hacking or stop seconds function. It is 5-position adjusted for the COSC chronometer test, which it obtains, but then Rolex would case up the movement and test it in 6 positions to the superlative chronometer standard, thus no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours. Rotor winding system with Rolex's Perpetual Teflon-coated reversing wheels, super silent, energizing that 48-hour power reserve. And then we've got a full balance bridge with a free-sprung balance for shock resistance. The free-sprung balance also allowing for very precise adjustment. And then an overcoil hairspring for concentric breathing in any position on your wrist or your dresser at night. Positionally, it is very consistent as a timekeeper, and that hairspring is a blue oxidized niobium zirconium anti-magnetic alloy. And because this is the 3132 variant, it also uses Rolex's proprietary Paraflex shock protection system. So reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.